It's coming from the top of the T. Alright, you can turn it off. Yeah, that's what I was saying, you need it. Yeah, we gotta put some dope on it. And I'm gonna put the old one back to try to save some money. Let's see without the tread seal. Alright. See that? It was just so much extra stuff on it. All I did is took the extra stuff here. So I fill it up with some water. Let it run. Hit the bottom. Alright, so we ain't gotta go to the hardware store. Get a nice little decking. Just gotta screw it back up. And that's it. This out. And mount this on this wall. Save some space. Let me know, it's a hot summer. Y'all ready to see what this fan do?